good evening. You're watching Times Now Live and I'm Swati Joshi. Let's begin the broadcast with this breaking news coming in. The Maha-Yuti Alliance has finalized the date of oath-taking ceremony. 7 days after the landslide Maharashtra win for the Maha-Yuti, the oath ceremony date has been finalized. According to reports coming in, the government will be sworn in on the 5th of December at Azad Maidan in Mumbai. BJP's Maharashtra President Chandrasekhar Bawankule has confirmed the same in a post on social media platform X. Remember, the opposition had been asking why the delay after this landslide victory. Why is it that the Maha-Yuti is not able to form government? They've not even finalized the date. So a response to that has come in. 5th of December is the date when the government will be sworn in. Now, of course, the big question is who all will be taking oath, who will be the chief minister, the deputy chief minister and others part of the cabinet. Let's go across to Rakesh for more on this. Rakesh, before the speculations begin, the Maha-Yuti has made it clear that 5th of December is the date when the oath-taking ceremony will take place. Now, the big question, who all will be taking oath?
Yes, definitely. That is formally announced by the BJP now that it will be taking place at 5 p.m. at Azad Maidan in Mumbai. And what we are also learning from our sources that this delay was maybe due to the availability of the Prime Minister's schedule. And since it was a historic win and a grand victory for BJP, definitely the state BJP wanted Prime Minister to attend this event and make it a grand event. And that is why finally this schedule is finalized. And as far as the cabinet allocation is concerned, we already know that somewhere about 22, 12 and 10. This formula is almost decided within the Maha-Yuti government, where BJP is likely to get 22 ministerial berths, whereas 12 for the Shiv Senas and 10 is for the NCP. Now, the respective parties in the alliance, whether it is NCP or Shiv Sena, they will be deciding on the names of the ministers in their internal meeting, which is likely to take place on Monday or Tuesday in Mumbai. And at the same time, we are also expecting that the name of the observer can be announced in a day or two, and the observers are likely to, and they are expected to land Mumbai on Monday or Tuesday, following which a meeting of the MLAs of the BJP will be taking place in Mumbai.
Okay, Rakesh, thank you for getting us the details. After that post, now Chandrasekhar Bawankule's reaction is also coming in. Let's listen in.
माननीय पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में महाराष्ट्र में महायुति को ऐतिहासिक विजय मिला है। आज तक सबसे बड़ा मैंडेट महाराष्ट्र में महायुति को मिला है और महायुति सरकार का शपथ ग्रहण समारोह माननीय पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदी जी के उपस्थिति में मुंबई के आजाद मैदान पर 5 दिसंबर